Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about whether Stable Diffusion is free. In order to do so, here we are in ChatGPT and we're asking if Stable Diffusion is free. And it is free in some instances. There are different ways that you can access Stable Diffusion. There are certain websites that you can go to, like Dream Studio, where you can use a Stable Diffusion based model and you can create images there. There are also different websites that you can go to, and many of them do have a free plan where you can have access to a few credits in order to be able to do a certain amount of images. Some give you daily credits that you can use. Some of them are a little bit stingier, let's say, in terms of giving out credits, but you can find a variety of websites that you can go to that have Stable Diffusion running. The other thing you can do is you can actually run Stable Diffusion from your machine. There are different ways of doing this, but one of the most reliable ways, the way that I use Stable Diffusion, is with Focus, or Focus, if you want to say it that way, because it's Focus with 3 O's. And this is a little bit more of an advanced technique. In order to install Focus, it does require a little bit of know-how, but you can go to GitHub and search for Focus, and there are many other instructional tutorials out there that can give you some more information on how you can install Focus on your machine. That's the way that I do it, and you can do that too. So that is the most reliably free way of accessing Stable Diffusion, is through running it off of your machine directly. And you can do that through Focus. You could do that with Comfy UI. There's a couple of options out there, or there are certain websites that you can go to. However, with the various websites that are out there, they are to varying degrees of free. Many of them do request that you set up a subscription in order to be able to access more of the robust functions. But for the most part, when it comes to Stable Diffusion, if you want to be able to use it for free, you are probably going to want to see if you can run it off your computer. Be advised that some computers are not going to be able to run something like Stable Diffusion. You're going to have to check your settings, your hardware, and see if those are all set up properly to be able to run something like Stable Diffusion. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.